Wagwan massive.
You know. Let's try it one more time. Alright.
Wagwan massive. You don't know, say your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
And we back today with another video. Is that how you do it? Alright guys, so today's video is, I wanted to do something a little different, and I thought about a challenge. So we're doing a challenge today, and you know Valentine's Day coming up, you know what I'm saying? Even if it's not Valentine's Day, you always want to do something a little special for your special someone.
Special someone.
So we thought, why not make it into a challenge, right? So the challenge is, we each get $10, and we went to the dollar store to make the best out of that $10 to make the best date night.
Yep. So pretty much we got $10 a piece, and we got to go and pick 10 things, pretty much. 10 things in Dollar Tree to make a perfect date night. We went separately. She went, took her $10, got her things. I went, got my 10 things. And we don't know what each other got.
We don't.
We're trying to see who can make the best and most, what is it called? Special date night.
Yes. And you guys gonna vote on that for us too. Let us know who you think won this challenge.
Y'all know I win all the time. She might have won a turkey challenge last time, but that was, you know, I let her win because she's a woman. You know how it is. Y'all know how it is. We gotta let these ladies win. If you don't let them win, sometimes they, you know, they start, you know,
crying. Who gonna cry about that? You are, not me. Anyway, here's a clip of us going to Dollar Tree to get our items separately.
So you guys can see what we got, but she don't know what I got, and I don't know what she got. So check it out.
All right, babe. So I'm about to go get my stuff.
All right, get your stuff.
And then you can get yours, all right?
Yep.
All right. Like these pink candles or purple. I like the color of these, but I like these better. Whatever, I'll get these. This look cute, like put that like that, but they only got one.
What that do?
It's a cute candle thing. Hey, bad mind, sir. Hey, bad mind, sir, dog. For what? For what? All right, follow moi. I'm gonna get 2 glasses. I'm gonna try to get something I don't have already. I got those.
And I get the colored one then.
The colored ones? Because I got purple candles. So, and they don't have no purple wine glasses. So, yeah, that's why. So I'm getting these 2. Need chocolate. Every kiss begins with K. Better. Alright. I gotta go to the decorations now. Okay. And can't have a date night without roses or flowers. Red or white though? You don't never know nothing. We'll see. Come on. I think I'm gonna put the purple candles back and get some red candles. Just because I got red and silver everything. Probably this. So, alright, so 2, 4. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I can get one more thing for my $1. White rose petals. I think I got my number 10. So let's go to the cashier. I think I did good, y'all. What do y'all think? Well, you're gonna see the final setup though. But picking out all this stuff for $10, I think I did pretty good. This is worth my $10. So I got my 10 items. Don't be peeking in my bag neither.
Alright, so now it's my turn. What she get? What she got? Man, y'all know I'm not good with stuff like this, man. But okay, I'm gonna try. You gotta have some chocolates for the ladies. You know, ladies love chocolate. You know what I'm saying? So she don't really like chocolate that much, but you know.
You eat one.
Right. Oh, by not getting this, just need some chocolates. There we go. They had like some hearts or something. That'd be better. I can like feed her some chips. That'd be all sexy, like just throwing some chips in her mouth.
That's weird, man.
You said what?
That's weird.
Oh, I forgot who the cameraman was. You can't have a date night without latex, right? Since I'm not putting my mouth on these, I'm gonna grab a balloon blower up the finger. Rose petals, y'all. Bang. Giving her some fake flowers, y'all. I mean, it's $10, so you know what I'm saying? We gotta work with what we can work with. Y'all like these? Fake candles right here, y'all. They stay up for 100 hours. I mean, we can leave these on all night and don't have to worry about them going out. I'm down with that. Spa soap. Spa soap. Is this bubbles, bro? Pretty sure they use this for bubbles. Boom. Good. So look at her, the butter pecan. Yeah. Alright, that's 10 things, y'all. Let's watch me make it work, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know I'm gonna be the champion of this. Because I'm smooth like that. I'm not the best at decorating, but you know I'm smooth. So I'll make this happen, you know what I'm saying?
That was us getting our items in Dollar Tree, our $10 worth items, you know what I'm saying? So right now, we are gonna go ahead and start setting up for our date nights, and then we'll show you the process along the way. And then you get to see the final, you know what I'm saying, look and everything, and then you can judge and tell us who won. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, so I'm going first, and I'm setting up my date night in our little dining area right here. So I'm gonna remove 2 of the chairs because it's a date night. We're not having a double date, y'all. It's just a date night, okay? So let me grab my bags. As you already know, we went shopping. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is lay out my tablecloth. Next thing I want to do is get my white rose petals that I got earlier, and I'm just gonna lay some of them across the table. And then I'm gonna place this in the center. I think falling off. That. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm gonna bring it up a little closer once I'm done so you can see everything. You know what? I think I want to swap this out, put that right there, and put this right here, and then put the candle in the middle like that instead. And I also got some more like tea light candles and stuff, so I'm gonna just put them around the area just to make it cute, you know. $10 date nights. What? Can't get no better than this. You hear me? And of course it doesn't include like the food and alcohol or wine, liquor, you know what I'm saying? That you're gonna have to spend some more money on for sure. Everybody knows that. But I was maybe talking about the decorations. what I was, you know, putting together. $10 date night, as y'all can see. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little closer, and I'm also gonna light my candles so you can, you know, see everything, set the ambiance a little bit. All right, y'all, so this is my date night. You know what I'm saying? This was $10. Well, minus the plates, but I mean, you could get these plates from Dollar Tree too. You could get plates like these, you know what I'm saying? My flowers, my soup bowl, my appetizer plate, and my dinner plate. I'm gonna cut the light off so you can see it too. Valentine's Day is coming up, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna hand the camera over to Jessie because he about to show y'all his date night setup, and so y'all can rate his and let him know, you know, that he lost. But anyways, I'm not gonna, you know, say too much.
Alright, y'all, it's your boy. Y'all know it's time for me to show y'all my stuff. Alright, let me show y'all what I got. Alright, so I got these heart balloons right here. I got these right here, you know. I can't say it out loud, she can hear me. I got the, you know, the flowers, the balloon pump. You know what I'm saying? I got some feel good spa stuff for when she shower. Y'all seen what I got already. I'm just re-showing y'all what I got. You know what I'm saying? I got the rose petals right here. You know what I'm saying, bro? You know, that's how we do what we do in the hood, you know. I got these right here. These lights because you don't want to start no fires. You know, I was a fireman and now, you know, I don't really like fire like that no more. You know, we got the bath sauce right here. Wait, I shouldn't say it like that. It's like some bath soak sauce. You know, it ain't the crazy bath sauce. You know what I'm saying? I got the snacks because you know your boy fat. And then I got the chocolate right here. You know what I'm saying? Because hey, listen. You gotta have the chocolate, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have the foods because a way to a woman is through her stomach, right? So let's get to it. Let's get to it, y'all. Let me show you what I got. First, you gotta blow these balloons up real quick. This is retarded. This is a waste of $1, okay? This is what we need. If you don't want to put your mouth on this and the bag was open, you know what I'm saying? Germs, kill them. Think harder. No, wait, think smarter, not harder. Hey, it's a heart, y'all see it? The whole point of this date night is like if you're trying to watch a movie, you know, Netflix chilling kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? So I was hooking y'all up on what I think is the best for that. Alright, so now we're gonna do our placements for them. We're gonna place them. I want a red one on top, so we're gonna put a red one on the side. make sure I got some good tape, because my tape is on some BS. I think that looks good. What about y'all? They also have these here at Dollar Tree too. We already had it, so I didn't buy one. I like when Whitney feeds me chips and stuff. She likes when I do it. And I think people just like, you know, being fed sometimes, being pampered. You know what I'm saying? So let's not that one. Next, we got chocolate. You know, women love chocolate, y'all. They don't come with batteries, y'all. Yeah, I guess you're better off getting the real ones, because you're gonna have to pay another $1 to get the batteries for them. And these are toy batteries. Hey, we got the business, y'all. Let's top it off with some flour. Alright, so this one might look like, y'all. You got the one little balloon up there, show like a heart. You got the chocolate and the chips right here, you know what I'm saying? You got the you know, the flowers, you know what I'm saying? They're just for to look good, you know what I'm saying? And you got the hearts. And you got your candles. You got the fake candles, because you know, eventually you might, if you're watching TV, you might fall asleep. You never know, candles be tripping sometimes, you know what I'm saying? You got the soap and the other stuff for it. Oh yeah, I want this, y'all, for sure. All we need, you know what I'm saying? All we need now is Big Mouth, that's it. Big Mouth, throw some Big Mouth on. If you got Netflix, man, it's on and popping. That's a date night right there, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Got the rose petals all over the floor. Come on now, y'all. Your boy know what he's doing. Give her a nice little massage. When she get in the tub, you know what I'm saying? Throw some warm water on for her, you know what I'm saying? All bubbly with the bath sauce. She'll be feeling all good and relaxed. You know, give her a little back massage while she in there. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Who would like that? Who out there would like what I'm saying right now? Come on. $10. $10, y'all. Come. It ain't about the money. It's what you do with the money. You know what I'm saying? We creating memories right here. Moments for life. You heard me? Your boy Jet, man. Come on.
I'm looking at your date night first.
Look at mine first?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so how am I supposed to do it? I just give you the camera, you walk in, and then you just...
Well, you can record me walking in.
Okay. I bet. Okay.
And then I'll record you looking at my date.
I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna back up like this.
So should I close my eyes? Should I close my eyes?
No, it's all right. Just walk in.
Okay.
Just walk in, yeah. Oh, what you see? You see champion. You see a champion.
You made me feel like I didn't do shit.
You see a champion, G.
Oh my god. I feel like I didn't do shit now. Oh, let me have one.
Oh, and I got ice cream.
For $10?
$10. All of
Come on,
$10.
Let's just go to bed. I'm just playing. This mine too?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Yep.
I'm about to smash these. This is really good.
I told them, I said, so what I'm looking, I said what I'm looking forward to is like we trying to watch Netflix and chill, you know what I'm saying? Like Big Mouth, like
that.
Big Mouth or something.
I like that idea right there.
Perfect.
That's cute. Okay, babe, I see you. I did my little thing too though, so
Okay. Alright.
we gonna see what they say. Alright, it's your turn. Hold on. You ready? Alright, go ahead and walk into your date night.
My eyes and you walk straight in.
You can close your, matter of fact, yeah, come on, close your eyes. Hold my hand. Yep. Welcome to your date night. How you like it?
Look mine.
Open your eyes.
Oh, okay. Setting up for a meal, huh?
Yes. Trying to be cute. You finna eat the chocolate? Look, it works. It works. We can sit here, eat dinner, and then move to the bedroom. You know what I'm saying? Look, teamwork make the dream work. But let me put that back off so y'all can see my little decorations. You know what I'm saying? Yes, on the floor. Yep. My little wine, chocolate. You know, looking all cute.
You bought these or this our stuff?
Well, that's our stuff, but we got it from Dollar Tree anyway.
Right.
So, like I said, everything on this table is $1 except our silverware. The Dollar Tree got some really nice plates and bowls and stuff, you know. So, yep. I think we both did good though.
Oh yeah, heck yeah.
We both did good. Oh my God!
Yeah. So man, heck yeah, this is real good. So anybody out there, you know what I'm saying, Valentine's Day coming up. Valentine's Day coming up and everything. And if y'all trying to do something, this is
Something nice.
Right here.
Yes.
Total of $20 plus tax.
$20. Couple of cents for taxes, you know what I'm saying? But we both did a really good job. I can't lie. This one gonna be hard. Like, I don't know what y'all gonna say. I'm nervous now.
Y'all decide. Who win this one, y'all? Let us know.
I'm nervous.
Comment
I think
below.
Yeah, we both did good. So that one, this gonna be tough. Alright, y'all. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And you'll have good luck for the rest of the year. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know what you guys think. This is something a little bit unique. She came up with it. I think it was, I think it was a good idea.
It was fun too. Yes, I had fun doing it. You know what I'm saying? And then walking into my surprise. You know what I'm saying? We about to get to it right now. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Like you said, you know, Valentine's Day coming up. So this is definitely something you can keep into consideration if you want to, you know, do something nice for your partner, but you don't have like all that cash, you know what I'm saying? You strapped on cash right now. You better go to Dollar Tree, you know what I'm saying?
All right, y'all. Until next time.